Subscribe to How to Tech channel by clicking on subscribe button and click on bell icon for latest video notifications. Thank you. Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block and unblock contacts in IMO video call app. First, go to the IMO and go to the contacts and select the contact which you want to block. Let me select one. Just click on the contact and you will be getting the options. Just click on icon and scroll down and you will see the delete contact, and just press the delete contact and your contact will be deleted from the IMO database, but it's still present in your mobile. So just click on block option and go back. If you want to unblock, just click on setting options of IMO and click on contacted blocked contacts, and here is his real IMO name, which is different from Android contact name, and just I clicked on unblock and it's unblocked. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.